With the permission of Honorable Speaker Sir, Masigi House the Pukhatpiraliba motion, Manipuna pre-major political status the Hanjalabata the Manipur Indiagi conflict Wakainabangangani. Mr. Speaker Sir, there is saying that by proving the contrary, truth is made manifest by John Smith Jr. Just like it, today's motion is absolutely correct, Mr. Speaker Sir. Motion asida effect oriba Manipur amadi Indiagi conflict Wakainabangamba haiba wafam sina. Cause oriba Manipur pre-major political status ta hanjinba ngamlaba matamda da haiba wafam sina motion asibu mapung fahanba ngamba maram ama oibata natana cause plus effect equal to two sides of the coin oiba maram na motion asisumi. Motion asisumi haiba do unnabagi damakta aiga oiba strong valid argument khara makhada thamjage madudi motion asida maru oiba wafam oriba si pre-major political status aduga Manipur amadi Indiagi conflict wakhainaba ngamba adubu pre-major political status haibasi nainadringai mamangda Manipur haibasi karamba lamdamno Manipur haibasi sahi lising anigi puari leijaba Southeast Asia da maning makhatamna palamba leiba amani adubu 1891 gi Anglo-Manipuri war thokraba matunga iroinana mikhaponba leiba ama oiraki asumna 1947 gi August 14 fawba hingki ning tamba leiba amani haibasi kakpa yaroi daba wafamni Mr. Speaker Sir aduga pre-major political status haibasi karino pre-major political status haibasi yanase kayamamna semba wafam amani ahamda standstill agreement ani subada instrument of accession 1947 ahum subada Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 standstill agreement da yanariba wafam na defense finance amadi external affairs Indiana paiba aduga instrument of accession 1947 da yanariba wafam waron mapan yanariba waron mapan sigi manungda maru oiba wafam amadi waron nipan subada pali madudi nothing in this instrument affect the continuance of my sovereignty in and over this state exercise any power by the authority of the state wafam sina warwashin porpang ngangani haibasi masana taksare Mr. Speaker Sir aduga Manipur State Constitution Act 1947 asi 58 articles yawba constitution amani masigi constitution gi makhada 1948 ta ahamba election pangthokuna Southeast Asia da democratic country ama oikibani Manipur amasung Indiagi conflict asi 1949 gi 21st September da major agreement khuyek pisin akhibaga iroinana 1949 gi October 15 da Indian Union da tinkhibani masidagi thoga ningdaba thogdok kaya ama tholak tuna masina maram oiraga conflict kaya ama tholakibani conflict sing adugi manungda ning tamba pambagi armed revolutionary conflict against major agreement haiba conflict asidi instrument of accession 1947 na warashin propang amgani aduga political military conflict asidi irai magleroi maramdi isagi constitution gi makhada hinglagani aduga isagi ning tamba isagi constitution gi makhada hinglagani aduga isagi lengak tungli isagi kuta leiragani aduga ning tamba political freedom ga loina na isagi constitution gi makhada hinglagani masina international sovereignty masan oijare Mr. Speaker Sir aduga ngasi control act oina sin nariba MLR 1960 amadi Afaspa 1958 MLR 1960 na divide and rule sanariba amadi Afaspa 1958 ki makhada militarized zone on thok na terrorist ki wan thok oina uhalibasi amata thok loroi maramdi isagi ning tamba exam duna sanna hanbang ngamlagani aduga 2000 km hena lapa Delhi ge ayaba yawraba disanna ba yadaba adu so amata thok loroi haibadi United Kingdom leijaba tarabasu Scotland na maning makhatam na leibagum na Manipur su leiragani aduga mito mian chasing hengalakuna yelhomi mut khidara haibagi mi paiba adu so amata tholoroi aduga ngasi fabuda Indiana namchin duna lakliba UN Declaration on the Right of Indigenous People 2007 gi article mapung fana phangbaga iroina na population gi problem amata leiroi the facts and figure lastly in the heart and soul of my opinions that pre-major political status is the only solution to solve the conflict between India and Manipur. So, Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Speaker Sir, kindly pass the motion on the floor of the House. Thank you.
Yes. Robita gi mathangda amu Treasury bench tagi okachage judges sing yabirabra amta haibiro